Welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is first I learn. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today I'm going to teach you sentence and its types. Are you ready to learn it, friends? Great, come on. Sentence. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. Sentence. Okay, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words joined together to give an information. Okay? A group of words which should be joined in a grammatically correct way and which should give you an information is called a sentence. Okay? Sentence is divided into 4 types. Think that sentence is the father and he has 4 sons. Now, we are going to learn about those 4 sons. Okay? Before learning the 4 sons, that is, the 4 types of sentences, we should know the examples of sentences. Are you ready to see that, friends? Come on. Examples. Number 1. I like ice cream. Okay? It is my personal like or desire that I love to eat ice cream. That is an information for you. Yes? And birds fly. Yes, birds fly. That is an information shared with the sentence. Okay? See, group of words. There are words which give you some information, and the most important thing in a sentence is it should be terminated with the terminal punctuation. Okay, what is terminal punctuation? Terminal means end of something. Okay, punctuation means the marks which you learn like period, comma, semicolon, colon, whatever it is. These are all punctuations. Terminal punctuation means those which mark the end of a sentence. These are called terminal punctuation. A sentence must have an information and should be ended with a terminal punctuation. Okay? So we have seen 2 sentences. And the third one, who are you? Okay? See, I wish to ask some information about you so that I should tell that this is what I want to know. So this is also giving some information and asking for some other information. Is that clear? So these 3 are examples for a sentence. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, as I told you, assume that sentences to be the father and we're going to see about the 4 sons. Okay, so now father sentences. Okay, assume that a father's name is starting with a word. Okay, the sons will have that same name in the second half of their name. Have you seen these cases? So this is what is going to happen here. So we are going to see son 1, statement sentences. Okay, sentences, statement sentences. Number 2, son 2, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Son 3, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Son 4, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Yes, tell it with me. Father sentences, son 1 statement sentences, son 2 interrogative sentences, son 3 imperative sentences, son 4 exclamatory sentences. Are you clear with their names? Shall we move on to them like individually? Shall we see them? Yes? Come on, let's go. So now we are going to see about the first son. Statement sentences. Okay, are you ready? Come on. So statement sentences. First, statement sentences are also called as, like people have 2 or 3 names, right? The pet name which they call in our house and which they call in our school and our college mates and colleagues. Everyone call us with different names. Whatever they feel to be used, they call pet names, nicknames, whatever it is. The same way, the statement sentences are also having like 2 different names other than the original name. Okay, declarative sentences. Even if a So now we are going to see about the second son, who is interrogative sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences, by the name itself you would have guessed, interrogation, investigation is something related to asking questions. Yes, if we want some information, the police do that, right? When they suspect somebody, they do interrogation, investigation, they ask questions to the culprits, and that is what will happen. So, as the name itself says, it is something related to the question. It is otherwise called as question sentences. Yes, clear? Interrogative sentences are otherwise called as question sentences. Okay. They ask information, okay? Whereas statement sentences, what do we saw? We saw that it just gives you simple information, okay? It just gives you information, but like here it asks information, okay? And interrogative sentences end with question mark, yes. As it is a question sentence, it must end with question mark. If there is no question mark, there is no use of writing a question sentence or the interrogative sentence. The writing of a question sentence, it must end with a question mark. Is that clear? So, shall we see the third sign? Yes, come on. So friends, now we are going to see the third sign, who is imperative sentences, okay? So, whose name is imperative sentences. So, imperative sentences, it is having the other name called directives or directive sentences, okay? Imperative sentences are also called directive sentences. Is that clear? You can simply call them directives. What does a director do? Director directs something. Okay? He gives the instructions for the actions to be done. Either he requests, like for the people like hero, heroine, he requests. And for the people in the production team and people who are lower than his position, he just orders, right? We do the work either by requesting or by ordering someone. Only then the work will be done. So that is the category of imperative sentences. First we saw son 1 statement sentences. Those are just sentences with simple information, nothing other than that. They end with period. And son 2 interrogative sentences. Those are question sentences. They end with question mark and they ask for information. And the third son, which is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences which demand someone to do action in a polite or commanding way. Okay? In a polite way, it comes under request. In a commanding way, it comes under order. Whatever it is, the work should be done. That is the motto or aim of imperative sentences. Okay? And third thing, end with exclamatory or period. These sentences either end with exclamatory mark, or end with periods. Okay, so there are two possibilities in the sentences. First two types of sentences, when you start, they end with only one mark. But these are little confusing. But then you can understand by reading an imperative sentence that this is imperative because it is asking a person to do some work. So this is imperative. By that you can find that. And if it is like so requesting, so humble, so genuine, you can use full stop. And it is like shut up, get up, something like that. In an ordering way, in a commanding way, then you may use exclamatory mark. Is that clear? So may we go to sum 4? Yes, come on. So friends, now we are going to see about the fourth sum, who is none other than exclamatory sentences. Okay, let's see what are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are the sentences which end with exclamatory marks. As the name itself says, they what is that is, exclamatory sentences express something. They have strong emotions. Okay? Either it is happiness or sadness, either it is surprise or shock. They express it in that moment itself. Okay? That is the characteristic of this sound. Okay? So these sentences are the sentences which give emotions, which express things in their sentences. Okay, so expression over and with exclamatory mark over. So exclamatory sentences are sometimes called as exclamative sentences also. Like we can call them exclamative sentences, which is also correct. Okay, hope you understood the definition and meaning of exclamative sentences. It is little different from the other three types of sentences. One was just giving you information, the other was just getting information, the third one was requesting and ordering, doing some action, and the fourth one is a little different. Okay, it is like something like emotional character. Okay, think like that. This one is in this way. So let me give you examples to clarify all the four types, so that you will get more clear ideas. Thank you. So friends, now we are gonna see an exercise on the topic sentences and its types. Okay? So now I have given you a set of sentences. It is your duty to find it. Okay? I have given you the definitions, I have given you the hints, clues to find what are those sentences. So let's have a game. Like think that this is a game and you people just guess it. If you could find the answer, just comment. Pause the video, comment the answers in the comment section and then play the video. Okay? Before I say the answer, if you found it, just please comment in the comment section. Okay? Yes, come on. Exercise. First, he runs. Okay? Some male, okay? Some boy or man, whoever it is. He runs. Okay? So with this, try to find it. What type of sentence is this? And number two, shut up. Shut up. Okay? Number three, what a beautiful girl. What a beautiful girl. Okay. Number four, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Have you found the answer? Yeah, let me give you 5 seconds time. Okay. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, let's see the answers. He runs. He runs. Yes, this is statement sentence, or you can tell it as declarative sentence or assertive sentence, whatever it is, the same thing. And shut up. Shut up. When do we say? When we get irritated, when the person who is near is like, then we say shut up. Yes, and we are ordering someone to close their mouth. Okay, so this comes under imperative sentence, though there is exclamatory mark. Few people could have thought that as there is exclamatory mark, this is an exclamatory sentence. Sorry, this is imperative sentence in an ordering way. Okay, number 3. What a beautiful girl. Okay, see, you got surprised on seeing a girl who was so beautiful. Okay, so this expresses your feeling, that is surprise, which means this is an exclamatory sentence. And number 4, who is your best friend? Okay, this is demanding for an information about you. Okay, this question wants to know your friend's name, which is the other information. It is just asking you information. So it is interrogative sentence or question sentence. Interrogative sentence or question sentence, exclamatory sentence or exclamative sentence, imperative sentence or directive sentence, statement sentence or declarative sentence or Hope you are very clear with this concept. See you soon with more and more lots of informative and interesting topics. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Maths English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and share chat. Thank you.